Hi children, it's me Uma. Today we are going to see Chemistry Chapter 6 Combustion and Flame Part 2. Learning objective to know about fire extinguisher. Introduction. A fire can be disastrous if not controlled in time. Every city has a fire station equipped with firefighting equipment. You may have seen that water is normally used to extinguish fire. However, water does not extinguish all kinds of fires. You have seen that the three conditions necessary for a fire are presence of a combustible substance, presence of a supporter of combustion, and heating the combustible substance above its ignition temperature. Methods of extinguishing a fire. Removing the combustible substance. However, this is not possible in case of, say, a building on a fire, as the entire building is the combustible substance. Second point, cooling the substance to below its ignition temperature. This is normally done with the help of water. But water works only when wood or paper are on fire. Fire in electrical equipments cannot be controlled with water as water conducts electricity. Hence, the person trying to extinguish the fire can get an electric shock. Also, oil or petrol fires cannot be put out by water as oil and petrol are lighter than water. They float on water and keep burning. Third one is cutting off the supply of air. This can be done with the help of carbon dioxide gas, which is not a supporter of combustion. Besides, it is heavier than air and forms a blanket around the fire. Fire extinguishers that give off carbon dioxide are used for this purpose. These are available in smaller sizes for household purposes. This method works well for electrical and petrol fires. Fire extinguishers. The simplest fire extinguisher is the soda acid type fire extinguisher. In this, the property of acids to liberate carbon dioxide on reacting with carbonates and bicarbonates of metals is utilized. As a gas, carbon dioxide is evolved with brisk effervescence. It extinguishes the fire when released over it. There are three parts in a fire extinguisher. First one is container, second one is bottle, third one is knob. The container of a fire extinguisher is cylindrical in shape. It contains sodium bicarbonate solution. The small bottle contains concentrated sulfuric acid. This bottle is attached to the knob. For the chemical reaction to take place, the knob is struck. The bottle breaks and sulfuric acid reacts with sodium bicarbonate, liberating large amount of carbon dioxide gas with great force. It forms a blanket around the fire, cutting off the air supply, due to which the fire gets extinguished. Next one is about carbon dioxide fire extinguisher. In the other type of fire extinguisher, carbon dioxide is stored under great pressure in a cylinder. When released from the cylinder, it expands suddenly and cools down. Thus, besides cutting off the air supply, it also cools down the combustible substance. It is therefore very effective. Here, few questions are given. So read these questions carefully and write your answers in an A4 sheet or in a separate notebook. Question number 1. Mention the three parts of a fire extinguisher. Number 2. What are the methods involved in extinguishing a fire? Third one. Which is the simplest fire extinguisher? Fourth one. Which gas is a non-supporter of combustion? And fifth one. Why oil or petrol fires cannot be put out by water? Thank you, children.